Buenos días. Good morning. I don't know if you guys can see JJ in the pool. He has he's in the pool with a lagartijo. He likes to catch the lizards and hang out with them. So that's what he's doing right now. And my daughter is down here somewhere feeding the chickens and the cats. I don't know where she is right now. Ven aquí. ¿Qué tú quieres, Shaji? Vente para acá. Vente para acá. That's what he wanted. ¿Qué? ¿Qué qué? New York, serious. It's really cold this morning. Ya muñeca, we have to get ready for school. Tú tienes que desayunar y you have to fix that hair. Ya no vamos. These are eggs from our gallina, so I'm making some breakfast now. Okay, so fun fact. When I was a little girl, and all the way until adulthood, my mother used to make us huevo frito or hard-boiled egg. I don't know how to say that en español. Con un guineo. Así con un guineito. No pan, no tostada, no jamón, no queso. Just the huevo and the egg. Sometimes she would do it with amarillos, but it was mostly a fresh egg like this. It was one of my favorite meals, especially when I was pregnant. Oh my gosh, my loves. Estamos hoy al garete. I'm pretty sure that I didn't do the introduction. Welcome back to La Vida Mora, Puerto Rico. Pajamas. It is cold this morning. It's about 10:30 a.m. now, and I am headed to the beach with my son. Then we will most likely go straight to pick up my daughter from school. Then I will come home, brush, shower, get ready within like half an hour, 45 minutes to meet up with Anna Santapau. It's like an exotic island. I wanted to show you guys something that I like to use in my hair to protect my hair from the salt water. So first get this in the hair and then talk. We honor the wave, the natural flow of nature. And that's it. I'm going to put a hat on. Big on shopping local whenever you can. But this is one of my towels that I did get from Amazon. A round towel. It doesn't blow in the wind as easily as a towel with 4 corners. It's like the perfect symmetry. I love this towel. Okay, my loves, we are in the car ready to go. It is late. It is 10:56, so it's almost 11 o'clock. For me, that is so late. My day starts at like 5 a.m. Playa Combate. The water matches my shades. Okay, mis amores, it is 3 p.m. We are now in the process. I just finished getting dressed. Today we are serving up a long summer dress with some comfortable platform everyday sandals. These are called tebas. These are amazing. They are so comfortable. You don't need the big fat platform. You can get the thinner ones. These are called, I believe, flat foams. They're a little high. I think Anna's tall. She's a model, so I assume she's tall. She's gorgeous. So I'm going to just try to be a little bit more on eye level with her. I'm looking forward to talking to her about Cabo Rojo and her experiences here, because for me, Cabo Rojo was new to me. Cabo Rojo is not my hometown, but I did live here for the past almost 9 years. So for me, the interesting part about today is hearing her experience at Cabo Rojo, seeing what are her spots. Maybe if we have time. I really don't have a lot of time. We are literally squeezing this in. I feel so bad, but I just couldn't. So all I could give today is about 2 hours. Luckily I live close, so we can make it work. Cannot do a full-blown vlog, but either way, the initiative on her part was acknowledged, accepted, and we're here. We're doing this. Let's turn this around to show you guys the shoes one more time, because they're really comfortable. They're not the sexiest, most fashionable things in the world. Okay, so we will see you in the next clip. I'm gonna get my daughter from school and I'm gonna head out. Just gonna get dressed really fast and we're gonna go. We are now leaving Corozo Bakery, Panaderia Corozo, for some ice cream. Yeah. See what the time is doing. Okay, my loves, we have finally made it. My hair's a little crazy today because my AC in the car is not working and we had to drive for a half an hour with the windows all the way down. But we're okay, we got here good. This is Anna. We are in Anna's house that she grew up in since the age of 7? 7, around there. For a few years until she left, but that's a whole story. There's a whole history there that I'm learning now. I thought I had all the facts, but I actually had some things a little out of sequence. Moved here at the age of 7, which is actually age now. I have my daughter with me today. Wait, I wasn't recording, you see? Yeah. After speaking with Anna for a little bit, hearing her story and being in this area, this feels very original to PR. This feels like the people that live here have been living here for years, and their kids are living here, and the nieces and nephews and cousins. That's what this little portion of the island feels like.
Yeah, here you date your cousins.
Yeah.
Believe me, I've done it.
¿Cómo se dice? Lo primos se primen.
Lo primos se primen. So this is the house I grew up in. I was like 7 years old. I came from New York, and I lived here with my older brother. He took me in, and I went to the school right here. I used to walk there, and yeah, I was here pretty much until I was like 23 years old. So I finished college, and I was like, what am I gonna do with my life, kind of thing. There's no jobs here in Puerto Rico, and I studied to be a teacher. So I was like, there's no jobs. I was like number 300 on the list for them to call me, and I was like, I'm going to New York.
That seems to be the age for many that wind up leaving here independently, that didn't get moved out of the island.
So it's abandoned right now.
The after college situation seems to be the story of a lot of people.
So this was the sala, living room. It's leaking, so the first thing I gotta fix is the ceiling. Okay. Because it's leaking everywhere, pretty much. It's actually exploding, it's called, in some areas. Okay. Where the surface is crumbling, like falling on you, literally. So we're fixing that. Well, me fixing that. It needs a whole new kitchen.
I mean,
I'm removing all of this.
One thing that I noticed about the homes in Puerto Rico is that usually it's an open concept in the kitchen and living room, which I love. They are usually not separated. It's not common to find the kitchen separated from the living room. Space will have sort of a dining area, but that's not really a thing here. Your kitchen is suitable for a table, but the dining area is usually the marquesina. That's usually where people put the real table and gather people for parties, etc. Dining rooms are not really a thing here.
I want to rip everything out.
This is exactly what I did in the house in Añaco. I just ripped it all out.
Yeah, everything out. It's right now gas
stove, okay.
So maybe put electric. So this would be the dining, which is cool that we have a dining looking out.
Yeah.
There's a there.
There's a little balconcito there.
I love this.
See the arches, me too.
I love the arches. And then right over here, this is, I don't have light right now because I have to turn on the breakers from outside, but this is my childhood room.
Wow.
I mean, until I was 23.
This was her room.
It was all pink. Let me see if I can open the window. It was all pink.
Look, Garfield. Wow, that Garfield is really retro.
Yes, I used to look at him every night.
Wow, that is so cute.
But it's so funny because this has lasted so long.
Wow, see, because they don't make things the way they did back in the day.
Now this is another deal because this is like banana peel.
Yeah.
But this was my custom.
Because this is compressed wood, right? These are like,
no
I
idea.
think this is like compressed wood.
So that was my closet.
Wow, don't get rid of this. You can do something with that.
I was in Cabo Rojo that I told you. I cleared this because this was full of stuff.
Oh, there's a nest there from some bird.
Yeah, there's a nest. And then this was a spare room. That was his walk-in closet.
Okay.
And I
look at that, guys. A walk-in closet for a man.
And this is the bathroom.
Oh, but the bathroom looks really good.
Horrible.
See, the bathroom looks good.
But I don't know, because even that is broken.
Yeah, those things
I might just eliminate it or put a new one.
Actually, that's what I'm going next to Home Depot for, to get pricing.
You're actually getting the scoop because I haven't showed all these details on my video.
Oh,
I'm doing.
But I can say the bathroom looks really good.
I'm doing a
and
whole
it's
video
big
on this on the house.
Huh?
No.
What? Yeah.
It's pretty good.
I mean, you said this is gas?
Yeah.
Hi guys. I came to PR and had to learn how to cook on our electric stove, and when I moved to Añaco, I'm getting gas. Because I miss gas. I miss seeing the flame. It's so hard for me to grasp the concept of electric. It does cook well and it's fine, and in a sense it's safer. But I just miss gas. I like seeing the flame and feeling and knowing the control that I have. Because I cook all day long. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's because I'm a mommy. I'm a mommy and I was a stay-at-home mommy, so I had the time, you know, to cook. These are like the neighboring homes. Look at, can you see all of the mangoes? They are everywhere. Over there también. We're getting the scoop on some fish. I asked Anna. She's just gonna go ask real quick. I've always wanted to buy fresh fish from here. Hola. Sí, es que yo vivo. These are the anuncios that I'm always telling you guys about that they do. They drive around my neighborhood as well. My son loves it. I like the beach. We're just gonna walk. We're not gonna actually go to the beach. We are at Ostiones. So these little, I don't even know how to call them. Posts? What are those little stubs called?
We're gonna vlog at the same time. What a disaster!
Look at how fancy Anna's is, and now look at mine. Go put your camera on mine.
Wait. Okay. We're gonna vlog at the same time. What a disaster!
Look at how fancy Anna's is, and now look at mine. Go put your camera on mine.
Wait. Okay. Manual. We have Ostiones. Ostiones. I always have a problem remembering that word.
Ay, yo. Dale un chippy. Meow. Meow. The little post that they just finished painting. It's cute. It has like a Rasta vibe.
It's so beautiful and calm.
Y sí, bienvenidos a Playa Ostiones. Beautiful. The whole panoramic of it is beautiful. And look, garbage bags. This is, I'm sure, thanks to the people from Cabo Rojo de ayer on Facebook. I'm pretty sure that it was their initiative to put some garbage bags. Harvey, yes. Harvey Ducot. And mira, lo dice allí también, Ducot Hiking Trail.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, wow, yeah.
We can list his página below from Facebook.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
All right, we're gonna do this. I'm taking Anna. This is beginner's level hike walk, but once you get to the good part, it does get slippery, so be careful if you decide to do this. It's about 10 minutes, and you're gonna see these little signs along the way to keep you on track, which is something pretty new. I think they started these like about a year ago. And here we go. Look at the sudor on my cara. The sudordacious. Anna's over there vlogging. I'm in the sombra with my daughter. It's so nice here. How beautiful. Beautiful. I'll link below my vlog from this place because I do have a vlog of it.
Link me.
We'll link Anna as well. What's nice about this is that you're, even if it's sunny, you're in shade. So it's you're still gonna sweat a little bit, but it's nice. The last time actually I walked through this, it was raining. And the sound was hypnotizing. The sound hitting all the palmas and the sway of the leaves.
At night, all the noises.
Super beautiful. The light of Boquerón. It was a really nice evening. Again, I couldn't give too much time because I just can't with my kids. But Anna was really sweet. I had some funny moments too. I'm on my way home now. I just wanted to say besitos. Thank you so much for watching.